Welcome. In front of me is Gateway Ultra Slim 71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to create a screenshot on this device. So to take a screenshot, you can either use a Windows Shift S combination of keys, so Windows Shift and S pressed at the same time, or you can also use the print screen button that is located right here. And once you use one of these keys or a combination of keys, you will see the bar at the top of your screen that looks like this. And here you'll have to select the snip option on the left, and then you can select one of the four options for your screenshot. So the first one is a rectangular screenshot. So basically what you have to do is select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. And then once you finish the selection, the screenshot will be saved to your device and also will be copied to clipboard. And by clicking on this notification that you will see on the right side of your screen, you will be able to open the preview of this screenshot using this tool at the top. You can edit the photo for quick edit. And you can also use more advanced features in Paint if you click this button right here. And if you want to find your screenshot, you have to open the File Explorer, then go into Pictures folder, then go to Screenshots, and the screenshot that you took will be here. Now the following option for a screenshot is a window screenshot. And to take a window screenshot, you basically have simply to click on any window that you want to take a screenshot of, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. Okay, and the following screenshot option is the full screen screenshot. And once you click on this option right here, the screenshot of the full screen will be taken, and it looks somewhat like this. And the last option is the Freeform screenshot, and it's basically just like the rectangular one, except for you can draw any shape on your laptop's screen, and your snip will look somewhat like this based on the shape that you drew. And that's it. That's how you take a screenshot on this laptop. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.